guys! Here's a DIY video of Moana inspired costume. The top part is made from a shirt that I bought from Ukay Ukay. Turn the shirt inside out, cut to the desired length, remove the hems, and try it on to get the desired fit. Sew the edges of the fabric together and fold the upper part of the tank top. Draw zigzag lines at the bottom and cut them out. Create a stencil pattern and trace the edges and the tank top to the marker. To make it look like Moana's tank top, draw some tribal lines at the bottom and upper part. Draw another 2 straight lines outside the star patterns and fill the space by shading it in with a marker. Then draw a series of small triangles. With a white ink, draw a thick line above the shaded part. Again with a marker, put some dots. But I was not satisfied with how it looks with the white ink only. So I get a piece of white cloth, stretch it out to curl the edges, and then sew it on. I don't have a brown grass skirt, so to make this project easier and cheaper, I get a white dress with layered hems and tuck its upper part inside. Moana has a red belt, so here's how to make it. Sew the strips of fabric together and draw the tribal lines.